Now, I'll start with you, sir, my brother from Tribune. Tough time never lasts. Tough people and tough party too. This PDP is tough. We've gone through this route before. You remember? We have the resilience, we have the capacity to weather this. And these two shall pass away. I guarantee you that. When you talk about people, it's difficult when you have a more one within you. I'm quoting your words, sir. Tribune. You have several capacities, you can identify more. I don't have that strength. Now, when you have those challenges, I said it last time, when you have a madman in a China shop, what do? You go carefully to take that out. We got to where we are by being very proactive, being very deliberate, and knowing fully well that when you are dealing with human beings, there are things that you don't push for too far. Because if anybody wants to derail you, they are focused. Come, this is to disorganize us, as it were. I said they're throwing bricks and rocks at anything, including a grievous allegation of forgery, which again from here, you can make your determination. We confronted you with facts, with people, with pictures, with evidence. And I want to draw attention to this. At the 102nd meeting, Governor Bala said this. He said this, and I'm going to quote him. I'm going to read this to you for emphasis. Governor Bala, the chairman of the governor, after the meeting at the chairman's office, after the letters have been signed, he came to NEC and reported. And hear this. I will read, please, I'm sorry, your indulgence again. So that for emphasis, he said the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum welcomed members to the 102 meeting and said governors were working with all organs of the party in the interest of the party. He briefed NEC on the meeting of the forum held in Zamfara State, where different organs of the party were invited to discuss critical issues and challenges. He informed NEC that governors were working to make the party to be loved by Nigerians. He also said PDP governors have shown capacity and unity. Furthermore, he noted that governors were focused on navigating through the challenges to ensure successful national convention. Hear this. Hear this. The chairman informed NEC, that's the PDP Governors Forum chairman, Governor Bala, informed NEC that issues of congresses have been resolved by the NWC, governors and elders, and all communication to INEC has been signed. Those are those communications here, sir. The four that I showed to you. The issue of congresses never resolved. Congresses resolved. National Convention resolved. The directive to write letters to INEC resolved, and they signed. Okay, they've been signed. So I don't know what is. So, gentlemen, just believe in our resilience, and thank you for your interest, because you are interested in what we're doing. But I can guarantee you, here are the facts. Wrong with the facts, not the alternative views. Or if someone is playing the script of someone, now we can see it clearly. It's laughable, right? There's a process. Again, when some certain things are in, you measure your responses to that. So, did he print the forms? Was it the man that printed the forms? As you know how many were printed? I mean, those are the questions you're asking. So, who did he approach to obtain form? And he didn't get it. Who? You see, I told you these are part of the rocks and bricks being sent. So, ask him those questions, sir. Was he the person that printed or instructed to print? And who did he ask to obtain funds from? These are all stories that are made up to create impression as if the parties are together. We are together, we are fine. He's the chairman, according to him, of Imo State. So let's watch. What I can tell you is that we welcome that investigation, but we shouldn't stop at just investigation on the face. They should go to the root of it, to the end of it, wherever it leads. And if it has been found and established that there was a deliberate action to mislead security agencies, let the law follow its course. And the law is very clear on that. When you inform a security agency or organization of a spurious allegation, there are consequences personally. I think I read in the newspapers about a week ago, somebody did something, and DSS got 5 billion as fine against the individual for lying against, I think I read in one of the papers. So maybe we're going there in this matter. The facts have been presented. Like I said, you can have alternative thought in your brain. You can have alternative propaganda. You do not have alternative facts. Facts are sacred.